I tried the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses, and they got me truly excited for the post-smartphone era. Because with a bright color display, a breakthrough neural wristband, and a whole range of futuristic new capabilities, the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses are the most advanced consumer smart glasses available right now, even if they are just the beginning of a larger revolution. And when I wore them at Meta Connect 2025 on Wednesday, I instantly realized that while they are still a long way from fully replacing our smartphones, they are already proving that smart glasses are significantly better when they include a true heads-up display. And from what I experience, it is very clear that we are taking a real step toward a future where we will spend less time with our heads buried in our phones and more time present in the world around us. Something Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg emphasized strongly during his keynote at Meta Connect, where he said society has lost something valuable in the smartphone era. And Meta's hope is that smart glasses like these can restore some of that human connection by letting us stay in the moment. And this is not just another pair of gimmicky frames, but a next-generation wearable that combines a stunning full-color LCOS display, a neural EMG wristband that can read subtle hand gestures, and features that are making science fiction feel real, with Zuckerberg himself calling this launch one of Meta's proudest moments after more than a decade of research and development. And the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses will retail for $799, including the glasses and the wristband, available in shiny black and transparent light brown with transition lenses that adapt to light conditions. And while they support prescriptions from plus 4.00 to minus 4.00, it's still unclear what the added cost of prescription lenses will be. And because the wristband requires proper fitting, these glasses won't be a simple online order. You will need to visit a store like Best Buy, Sunglass Hut, Lens Crafters, Ray-Ban stores, or eventually Verizon stores for fitting and demos starting September 30th. And in terms of usability, the glasses offer 6 hours of mixed-use battery life, while the wristband boasts an impressive 18 hours with IPX7 water resistance. And while slightly heavier than the previous audio-only Meta Ray-Bans at 69 grams compared to 49 grams, the glasses still felt natural and comfortable on my face, barely noticeable after a few minutes of wearing. And the display is bright, up to 5,000 nits, which is brighter than any smartphone display, or even the Apple Watch Ultra, meaning visibility is perfect indoors or outdoors. And perhaps most importantly, the display is discreet, invisible to people looking at you, avoiding the distraction problem of earlier HUD devices like Google Glass. And with the operating system built in, you can capture photos and videos, listen to music, invoke live captions in conversations, message on WhatsApp, ask AI, questions with visual responses, or even take AI-powered notes during important discussions, essentially merging the functionality of your smartphone and a wearable AI assistant into a single pair of stylish glasses. But the real breakthrough here is the EMG neural wristband, which Zuckerberg called the world's first mainstream neural interface, and absolutely changes how you interact with wearable tech. Because within just 10 minutes of practice, I was able to pinch my thumb and fingers to navigate screens, swipe through content, twist my wrist to control volume or settings, and even perform complex gestures like zooming into photos and videos up to 3x. And the level of precision was genuinely impressive, making the whole system feel futuristic but natural. And comfort-wise, a cloth wristband with magnetic closure felt secure. And after a few minutes, I forgot it was even there. And beyond navigation, the wristband opens up handwriting in the air as a feature where you can literally write short messages with your fingers, and the system converts them into text, effectively turning your hand into an invisible stylus. And imagine replying to texts or jotting down quick notes without ever touching a phone, which is just one of many futuristic touches that made this demo exciting. And some of the features I love most include live caption that focuses only on the person you are talking to while ignoring background chatter, which is a game changer in noisy environments or when you need accuracy in communication. And this ties into conversation focus, which amplifies the voice of the person you are engaged with, cutting through distractions around you, something traditional Ray-Ban Meta glasses and even Oakley smart glasses simply cannot do at this level. And then there's the AI integration, where I asked for a banana bread recipe, and the glasses delivered a card-based, step-by-step guide that I could swipe through hands-free, perfect for use in the kitchen or during any activity where touching a phone would be inconvenient. And while I didn't get to test it live, another upcoming feature is Live AI, where the glasses can literally see and hear what you do, recording instructions, notes, or conversations so you don't miss critical details, essentially giving you a personal memory assistant. And other functions include real-time video calls that let your friends see through your eyes, turn-by-turn walking navigation starting with 28, cities using Meta's own mapping, and full multimedia functions like capturing, editing, and posting content without needing your phone at all. And in terms of social impact, Zuckerberg emphasized that these glasses are not about escaping reality, but enhancing it, letting you look up from your phone, stay in the moment, and still stay connected digitally in a natural way. And while the $799 price tag is steep, especially given that this is still an early adopter product, the value lies in being on the cutting edge of wearable computing. Because Meta, Apple, Google, and other companies are racing toward the post-smartphone era. And these glasses are a bold step in that direction, but they may not be a 2 to 3 year investment. Because with rapid innovation, it's possible these will be leapfrogged in just 12 to 18 months, meaning if you buy them, it's about living at the forefront of technology today, not about future-proofing for years to come. And if you are curious but hesitant, starting with Meta's audio-only Ray-Ban Gen 2 or the sporty Oakley Vanguard glasses may be a better first step before jumping into the full display model. But there is no doubt that the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses are showing us the future right now, merging AI, AR, and wearable design into something stylish, powerful, and genuinely exciting. And as more companies enter this space, competition will only push features, prices, and usability even further, making the post-smartphone world closer than we think. So are you ready to ditch your phone and embrace the future of wearable displays? Let me know your thoughts and comments. And for more updates on smart glasses, AI breakthroughs, and the latest in consumer tech, make sure you subscribe because you're watching TechVerse.